and baking soda. Mhm.
What you got
Well,
going
for my
on?
CEO check-in, so since I'm developing the grid,
Mm-hmm.
I'm learning how to use AI. Because people run from AI, but I'm telling you, AI could be your friend.
It sure could.
And it could really be your business friend. So for me, it's going to be my 24/7 assistant. It's going to help me write my
I
emails.
know that's
It's going to help
right.
me write my proposals. It's going to help me write social media posts. It's going to
Okay.
take my voice and turn it into content. It's going to schedule my tasks,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
outline my projects. AI is the employee that you don't have the money to hire, train,
I
or
know
put on
that's
a
right.
payroll.
Yeah, yeah. That's
It can be
true.
your marketing machine. It can create content for you. You just train it in your voice and in
Mm-hmm.
your tone. You tell them all about yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm telling you, you be like, oh my God, I wrote that. I did write that
Right.
because and it sounds
Right.
just like me. And then I tweak
Absolutely.
it.
Yeah.
It
Right.
finds out exactly what your customers need for research. It analyzes your audience. It
Mm-hmm.
helps you with your test business ideas before
Mm-hmm.
you spend that money.
Absolutely.
I'm telling you, it does it all. It can onboard for you.
Sure
We
Mm-hmm.
can.
need HR books and different things for our businesses. It can standardize how your business can run so it can scale. I'm telling you, AI does it all.
It sure
It
do.
It
does.
is good for business. So I'm telling you, don't run from it, run to it.
I know that's
Yeah.
right.
Another thing I'll say real quick, Rochelle, and
Mm-hmm.
anybody else listening, if you haven't heard of Flow, go check out Flow.
What's
Yes.
flow?
Flow is awesome. It's an AI tool,
You
but they
didn't
do
tell me about
AI
that.
videos.
tool,
They do videos.
Oh,
videos.
look at
Is
this.
I put myself in the video and it still puts me somewhere that I'm really not. But that's scary at the same time, right?
It
But
A
is
little
because I'm
bit.
but it
like, can
does
somebody else
help.
do that
It
too
does help
with
with your
my stuff?
business because you could do marketing, putting
Wow.
yourself in the video and or
Mm-hmm.
use a another person. I even put like my
I
logo
don't
on
know.
the shirt
I
through the
want to see
video.
this.
Mm-hmm.
It's an awesome tool for marketing.
Rochelle, you knew
It
about
really,
flow?
really is. Yeah.
I,
Mm-hmm.
Marlo, you didn't know because your face looked like mine. Oh, well, good. See, I always have to pull Marlo in when I see Jilma and Rochelle. No, I be like, well, Marlo, did you know? Look, I be looking at her back there like, did you know? Well,
Come on,
thank
mindset. Just
you.
tell me if you tell us if you knew. If you knew.
Absolutely.
Listen.
Thank you guys for these awesome CEO check-ins today.
Yeah.
Wow.